Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable dynamic email on Gmail account. First we have to know what is the dynamic email account. To know dynamic email in Gmail is a feature that allows user to interact with content within an email, making it more engaging and interactive. It's also known as AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages Technology. So dynamic email in Gmail is a feature that allows user to interact with content within an email. And how to enable dynamic email on your Gmail account. Open Gmail account first, and here from the top right corner choose settings, see all settings, click on it, go to general settings from the top menu bar under settings, scroll down and you will find scroll down and you will find dynamic email option. Dynamic email, enable dynamic email, make the check against option enable dynamic email. If you want to disable it, uncheck this option, otherwise make the check